Würth Elektronik offers a wide range of MEMS sensors. The ultra-compact 3-axis capacitive acceleration sensor is optimized for industrial applications. MEMS technology provides high accuracy data with low noise. The ASIC converts the analog signal to digital and filters it at 400 Hz. Integrated algorithms like freefall detection reduces product development time and simplifies implementation. The current consumption is lower than 5 microamps, which makes it suitable for battery-powered applications. The FIFO buffer helps to store output values. Take advantage of Würth Elektronik's differential and absolute pressure, acceleration, humidity, and temperature sensors.